hungry, Kiddo. Today we are going to cook creamy sausage pasta. For the list of ingredients, please refer to the description box. Let's start cooking. While I'm cooking the sauce, I'm also cooking the penne pasta and I just followed the instructions on the packaging. First, turn on the heat on a low to medium flame and add butter. Saute the onion and garlic. After 30 seconds, you can add the sausage. And red and green bell pepper. I added salt, ground black pepper, and a little bit of brown sugar just to balance the taste. After a few minutes, I added 2 cans of mushroom. After about 3 minutes, I added 2 packets of all-purpose cream. I added pasta water to thicken the sauce. And a little bit of sugar to taste. Once the sauce is boiling, you can add the pasta and cheese. After 1 minute, you can turn off the heat. Recipe, and please feel free to share your cooking experience in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for